Unlocking body language secrets, shaping interactions through nonverbal cues. Imagine walking into a room and instantly understanding everyone's thoughts. That's the power of mastering body language. Our posture, gestures, and expressions speak volumes before we even utter a word. They're the unspoken dialogue in every interaction. Consider how an open stance invites conversation, while crossed arms might signal resistance. It's the silent language of connection or distance. Eye contact can bridge souls or create discomfort, highlighting the fine line between engagement and intrusion in our silent conversations. Ever notice that genuine smiles reach the eyes, lighting them up? It's a universal sign of joy that transcends language barriers. Mirroring someone's body language can create a bond, an unspoken agreement of empathy and understanding, fostering deeper connections. By unlocking these secrets, we navigate social landscapes with newfound confidence, transforming our interactions into meaningful connections. Dive into the world of nonverbal cues.